Hi, Mr. Uncle here, and I'm showing you how you can put a little easy statistics plugin in WordPress without necessarily using Google Analytics. Like if you just want to start a little blog like this one, I'm starting with my class, and I kind of want to see, you know, how's it doing. So I'm going to go to my dashboard, and I'm going to go to plugins and add new. Okay. And I'm going to search for statistics. And WP Statistics come up. I've used that one. That one's pretty good. It hasn't been updated for 3 months. This one's a little bit newer one. It's doing pretty good. Has a fair amount of active installation. So I'm going to try this one. I'm going to click install now. I'm going to activate. Okay, got that one. Okay, so let's go to my dashboard. Oh no, but let's go to visitor statistics. So we can go to traffic. Um, So you can see I just added it, so it's not going to have any data, but you can see a lot of stuff, traffic sources, visitors, constant content, um, all these kind of things. You can mess with the settings, but this is how you're going to get a little bit of statistics with a simple plugin. And there's a bunch, so try them all out. It's an easy way to get your statistics. Okay, and if I really like this one, I could get the pro version later. I'm probably not going to do that. I'm a teacher and I like to do things relatively inexpensively. Anyways, I hope that helps. Thank you, and tune in for more great videos coming up soon.